In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to get YouTube video transcript. So watch this video till the end. And subscribe to my channel. First of all, you have to open the video which you want to transcribe. After that, you have to click on the description of the video. You have to click here where you can see the mark. After that, you have to scroll down. After that, you have to click on this See Transcript button at the bottom. You have to click on it. Here you can see that the complete script of this video has come in front of you. In this way, you can see the transcript of any YouTube video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you liked this video, then please subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.